So hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to discuss about the non-gamete forming cells that are present in the testis. Okay, we know the gamete forming cells as spermatogonia, right? So the non-gamete forming cells are three types: the Maillard cells, Leydig cells, and the Sertoli cells. Okay, and I'm going to start with the easiest one, which is the Maillard cell, right? So these Maillard cells are actually derived from the vascular smooth muscle cells, which are also known as myofibroblast, and they mainly help in contraction and propulsion of the sperm out of the seminiferous tubules. And these Maillard cells are present between the basement fragment of the Sertoli cells and the interstitial space. Okay, and the vascular smooth muscle cells are also actually present in the tunica media of our blood vessels. Okay, so now moving on to the next type of cell or next type of non-gamete forming cell, the Leydig cells. So these Leydig cells are present in the interstitial space and therefore are also known as the interstitial cells, right? And the main function is the secretion of testosterone. Leydig cells are stimulated by the luteinizing hormone, and which in turn results in release of testosterone. Now this testosterone gives a negative feedback to the hypothalamus and the anterior pituitary. So this is the main function of Leydig cells. Now coming to the final and most important type of cell, that is the Sertoli cell. So the Sertoli cells are also known as the sustentacular cells or the nurse cell because they help in nourishment of gametes. Now coming to the secretions, they secrete inhibin B, ABP, and anti-Mullerian hormone or Mullerian inhibiting substance. The inhibin B is actually giving a negative feedback to the anterior pituitary. Sertoli cells are stimulated by the follicular stimulating hormone, and this follicular stimulating hormone actually is secreted from the anterior pituitary. Now inhibin B gives a negative feedback which prevents its secretion when it is in excess. Now coming to the second secretion, that is the androgen binding protein or ABP. So ABP actually binds to a testosterone that is secreted by the Leydig cells and maintains a local concentration or local regulation of this testosterone hormone, which is a steroid hormone. And it is also important for the process of gametogenesis. Now coming to the third secretion, that is the anti-Mullerian hormone or Mullerian inhibiting hormone. To know or understand this, you have to know that the Mullerian duct is actually from where the female structures are derived embryologically, and by default the embryo is destined to be a female. So in order to prevent that, this anti-Mullerian hormone is secreted from the Sertoli cells, which helps in regression and involution of the Mullerian duct so that the embryo forms a male, right, becomes a male. So that is why this anti-Mullerian hormone is secreted. Now coming to the third function of the Sertoli cells, that is the formation of blood testis barrier. So these spermatozoa that are formed are actually haploid, and they also can invade the egg, right? So therefore they will be invasive to our normal body cells. So to prevent that, and to prevent detection of the spermatozoa, which is actually foreign to our body from the immune system, the Sertoli cells form a blood testis barrier and prevent the detection by the immune system. So hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such content.